Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create link for photos in Google Drive using your Android device. Now let us begin. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not to log in, it is quite easy. You just have to sign in to your Google account and install the Google Drive application. Right now, I'm just gonna show you guys how to create a link for the image. I'm going to go to this folder right now because it contains all my images. And as you can see, let's say I want to share this image right here. I'm just going to click on the top right button associated with this image, these three dots. And from here, once again, lots of options, but worry not. Simply click on Manage Access. And from here, currently as you can see, the general access is restricted. Simply change it, click on the button right here. Then something like this will open up, that is the general access section. Well, once again hit on this restricted button, and from here, simply scroll over to anyone with the link, click on the button right now. Once you have changed the general access, simply copy the link. At the top right, you will see a button like this, that is copy link. Simply click on it, and then the link will be copied to your clipboard. Simply share the link with anyone of your choice. And guys, that is it. That's how we create a link for photos in Google Drive using Android. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.